Hello friends, today we are going to add a sun effect to our image. First, create a new folder. Then go to settings and open gradient. Change the style to radial. Now adjust the colors step by step. So write one side to red by press its rectangle icon. Now on left side icon, color add white 1. Then, in middle create a new one. Select its color orange or yellow. Back to gradient. Now you select scale size. If you want big sun effect, then add between 100-120, for a small, 170 to 50. You move that sun effect in your image. This layering of colors will give your image a bright and natural sun effect.